Finances,
Sino boss?
siya. No. Tsaka
Surrender all.
Oo.
Lahat ng kinikita mo. Surrender to Mrs.
Sa akin, mas magaling na managers ang babae, mas organized kayo, mas matyaga kayo magkwenta, and you know, ito na. Basta ito na kinita ko, ito.
Oo. At bilang ama, maluho ka sa anak mo?
Oy, pag hiningihan ka ng anak mo, hindi pwedeng, parang hindi, lalo na yung daughter ko. Siguro maintindihan ng ibang tatay ito, yung mga close na close sa anak nilang babae, na parang may switch sila, parang hawak na yung remote sa puso mo. Gusto nilang, isang smile lang nila, ang saya mo na. Pero pag sinamangutan ka nila, parang naka-depress.
Family is priority to you.
Definitely.
You are a family man.
Definitely. You know why? Parang analogy ko noon na si Draco is like my brain. Because before he came, I was the center of the universe. I was this and that. It's chaos, di ba? And then he came along, and then I had to be organized. I had to make a plan. So parang siya yung brain ko, yung panganay ko. Si Dids is my heart. Yun nga, because she has my, you know, emotionally she can control me. You know? And si Ducho is my lungs. Kasi he makes me want to live longer and, you know, do more things and make sure I can do more activities with him kasi he's the youngest, di ba? And si Pam, my wife, she's the skin that holds me together. She's my biggest organ. So that's how I see it. I really cannot see myself as an individual apart from my family. It's like, that's gonna be hard. Pag biglang, ha? Ako lang? Wala yung family ko. Hindi ko.
For sure.
Thank you. But, yun nga, it's a strange feeling. Pero at the same time, I know I've been very blessed because the people I work with, the networks, my directors, the fans, they treat me with such respect and kindness. And wala lang, I still don't know what I've done. Maybe I've done something in the past life. But definitely nothing in this present life to deserve it.
I would have to say, Ian, you are a good guy.
Baka magaling lang ako mambola.
You're a good guy. That's very wonderful to see. We need more role models who are good guys.
I hope to be that person someday. And sa mga anak ko, lalo na sa mga lalaki, lalo ng panganay ko, I know it's a Pinoy culture thing, no? But I keep telling him na when you find the one for you, pardon my vocabulary, pero madali mang babae, di ba? Sobrang dali mang babae. Kahit sino pwede maging babaero. There's nothing cool about it. Pero yung sticking to the one that you know is meant for you, that's the right path. It takes more of a man to be like that. To choose one and take care of the love of your life. Than to have many girls and stuff.
So